Slim washi tape sets. Adding texture to washi tape backgrounds. In this video, I show you how you can emboss your washi tape and also create a little bit more texture by sanding off the top layer. It gives a great and different look to your washi tape backgrounds. In this video, I used a mix of colours from various washi tape sets, including Cherry Blossom, Seashore, Green Valley and Red Sunset. Adding washi tape to cards and tags. In this video, Michelle Short shows how you can use slim washi tape to add a beautiful focal image using tags. We just love how she used all of the tapes from the Cherry Blossom slim washi tape set in this video. Classic washi tapes. In this video, the amazing JC shows us how we can use washi tape for paper piecing. It gives a different spin on paper piecing and also makes it super easy as there's already adhesive on the washi tapes. He used a mix of Enjoy the Ride washi tape and Tea Party washi tape too. Adding texture and dimension to your layouts with embossing folders. In this video, the amazing Natalie shows us how we can create dividers on our projects using washi tape. It's simple and fun to do and gives a great border to your projects. She used Enjoy the Ride washi tape set for this project. In this project photo by Tanya, we can see that she uses the washi tape as a main focal image. It really gives great focus to the overall card design. She uses Evening Skyline washi tape on this project. A2 card background washi tapes. Layered washi tape and embossing paste. In this video, Amber shows us how we can use 3 color gradient embossing paste on washi tape. She uses brush grid washi tape as a kind of stencil to create this design. Tropical Wreath. In this beautiful tropical wreath card by Noreen, you can see that she uses fussy cutting to create elements from the washi tapes. Washi tapes used were Painted Orchids wide washi tape, and we just love how this turned out. Overcoming project fear with concrete wall washi tape. In this video by Nicole, we can see how the washi tape can be used quite simply just as backgrounds. It's really quick and easy to do and gives a great background to many masculine projects. Concrete wall washi tape was used in this one. In this beautiful card by Dana, we can see that she uses the washi tapes in 2 different ways. She uses it as a background with an added accent of the smaller ones, and then she also uses it on the die cut elements that she has as her sentiment. Gold Splatter Cosmic Berry is the beautiful background she uses on this card. How to create a card with the Dare to Dream stamp set. In this video, the lovely Lilith shows us how we can stamp images to kind of recreate the images that we have in our washi tapes. This is such a beautiful thing to do and really pulls the design together. Misty Meadows washi tape and Gold String washi tape were used for her backgrounds. You don't always have to use your washi tape on cards either. You can definitely use these to create beautiful designs on gift-giving projects such as this bag by Virginia. Many Dots washi tape was used for this one. Wide washi tapes. Bold and Moody botanical arrangement. Again, we join the amazing JC in this video as he creates really beautiful and stunning cards using washi tapes. In this video, he uses Wild Flora washi tape and shows us how we can use this as beautiful focal points to our card projects or even home decor. Simply fussy cut around the images or die cut them to create beautiful elements to use in your projects. DIY floral frame. In this video, the amazing Amanda shows us how we can customize our washi tapes and then use these to create a beautiful frame or border with the design. She uses our large Botanical Rhapsody washi tape for this. The lovely Ashley also shows that you don't need to use washi tape for your handmade cards. You can also use it as really cool, fun and vintage wallpaper. It's easy to add to your walls and also easy to remove. She used the Wild Flora wide washi tape for this feature wall. To take a look at the projects in the videos, please check out the links in the description box below and let us know which technique you are most excited to try first. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting!
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!